welcome back to another video. Hi, my fans. Please like to my channel, subscribe to my channel, and please turn the bell on for notifications. Last video, we got this guy done. And now you guys voted on side. The side 1, the side 2, so side number, please, 2. So it's this side. This one's number 1. This is number 2. I hold it this way, so 1 and 2. Yeah. Okay. So that's that. That's up to 2. Step 3. These two pieces. You want to place this one this way, and then the same one on the other side. Boom. Okay. That's step 3. Step 4. Take these two ones. And place it on right here. Yeah. That's step 4. Okay. Step 5 is replacing the steering wheel. Is it right here? That's right. Okay, so that's step 5. Step 6. I'm gonna put that off to the side. I'm gonna push that off to here. Okay. I'm gonna take that off. I'm gonna push that off to the side. Step 6 is the final bit. So, let's start with step 6, part 1. This one, we need this one, that one, this, 2 of these, this guy, come on. And then we also need this guy. And we need one more of this. Okay. So basically, start this piece out first. I'm gonna put this piece in the middle. It's in the middle. It looks like it is. Then you put this piece in the middle, so this was so far. It looks like you put the blue on this side. And I put a red on the outside. So that's what you shot so far. Then you take this one, place on top of that. Okay, not bad. But this time you place the red on the same side, but back one stud. Same one with the blue. Back one stud. Because then you're gonna put these two pieces. These two guys are here, here. That's it. And then, one. And it goes like that. So that's what you want so far. That's step 6. And then this video is going to, this part is going to be step 7 too. Then step 7, you have this piece right here, right? Yeah. And then right here. That's step 7. Step 8, you have this piece right here. Step 9, this piece. This goes right here. And then you also have this piece right here, which goes right here. Oh, come on. Yo. And that's it for step 8 and 9.